Hello, this is Peter from First Maths. Today I am looking at putting numbers in order with reception class. The resources we need today. Demonstration number line. Wooden and plastic numerals 0 to 9. Number sticks. Paper plates taped onto sticks or rulers. Each plate showing a numeral from 1 to 15. Mental learning objective. I can count to 5. I can split or partition 5 fingers in different ways. Mental learning task. Today you're going to practice counting to 5. Everyone puts up one finger at a time as they count. How many fingers would you have to put up if you put up one more finger? You would put up 2 fingers. Can you show your teacher 5 fingers but use 2 hands to do this? 3, 2, 1. Show me. Wow, some of you used 4 fingers and 1 finger. Other people have used 2 fingers and 3 fingers. Wow, you are so good at maths. You are going to be maths geniuses one day. Has everyone got the same? Look around and see, did everyone get the same or were they different? Using your fingers, sing along to this number rhyme. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. I can count to 5. I can split or partition 5 fingers in different ways. I can collect numerals 0 to 9 and put them in order. Today we're going to learn how to put number into order. The numbers on the number line are in order. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If they were not in order, they would be jumbled up, mixed up. Today we are working in 2 groups. Group 1, younger children working with an adult. Group 2, older children working with the teacher. Group 1, your helper has hidden numerals 0 to 9 around the role play area. Now try to find them. Put the numbers into order. Why do we need ordered numbers? Pause the video and talk about this. Group 2. Give each child a number stick. Stand in a line. Can you organize yourselves into the right order of numbers? Now answer these questions. Group 2. Hold up your stick if your number is more than 8. 3, 2, 1, show me. Oh, you are great at maths. If your number is less than 3. 3, 2, 1, show me. Oh, you are awesome at maths. Well done. If your number is between 2 and 4. 3, 2, 1. Show me. Oh, wow. You've got it right. Your number is a 3. Draw a line of children with their number sticks in the correct order. Pause the video and complete the activity. Main learning objective. I can collect numerals 0 to 9 and put them into order. Plenary. Can the older children form their number line? Get 3 children with numbers to sit down. How do we know where these numbers go? Pause the video and ask the questions. Get the children to line up correctly again. Close your eyes. Your teacher will swap over 2 numbers. Which number, or 2, is now wrong? Pause the video and play the game. Using the number line, count up to 15 and count back down again. Pause the video and do it. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like below. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the notification bell to be informed every time I upload a maths resource. Every time I upload a new maths resource, if you're a subscriber, you will be told about it. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.